Hey babes, let me show you how to use our anti-frizz and heat protectant duo. You will need a flat iron. The one I'm using is a babyless flat iron, ragtail comb, hair clips and or hair ties, and of course our anti-frizz and protectant duo that can be found on our website at dreamershair.com under the hair care collection tab. First thing you should do is turn on the flat iron and let it heat up. I flat iron my hair extensions on at least 350, and yes, this is a safe temperature to flat iron your bundles. As the flat iron heats up, I proceed to section the hair, and then I divide the section into a few pieces. I do this to make sure I am straightening every strand and because I don't want to do more than 2 passes on the hair. Once I have my section, I spray with our heat protectant mist, and then I follow up with our hair gloss. After applying both products to the hair, you want to use a ragtail comb to comb the product through each strand. Then with the ragtail comb and flat iron, I start to press the hair out. You are going to repeat this same process throughout the whole head. Let us know in the comment section if this was helpful and if you want a part 2 on how to make sure your hair is flat at the top after washing it.